There's three of you here. You're all leaning into your bags, and I'm aware of him. What are you doing? What are you doing with your hand?
My value.
You've just pushed him in down there.
I haven't.
Listen, right, you're...
You've done this.
Listen!
Boys, let's all be calm here now. Let's all be calm. If you're innocent, it's going to be fine.
Get your hand out of there now!
Mate, keep your hand out.
Get your hand out of your waistband! You've been told twice. What's in your hand?
Mate, empty your hand.
What's in your hand?
He dumped it in the bush. He dumped it in the bush for there. He dumped it in the bush for there.
Yeah. I've seen an exchange take place between all of you here, okay? We've come over here. You've started resisting, trying to hide stuff. What has he got?
It's multiple rats, crack and heroin.
Oh, mate,
There's quite a few in there. Yeah, it's enough, mate.
So you do not have to say anything, may harm in defence, do not mention one question, something which will later line in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence, okay? So whilst under caution, I'm just going to ask you a question. So what is this?
Crack and heroin.
Crack and the heroin, yeah?
I mean, usually you can see the marks on it.
And is it yours?
Yeah.
Right, so the time is 15:12. I'm arresting you on suspicion of possession with intent to supply Class A drugs, okay?
What are we doing now?
So we're taking you back to yours. Yeah. We're going to do a search there to prevent any tampering of evidence, because obviously your friends now know that you've been arrested. Once that's done, we'll be going back to the Cardiff Bay Police Station then, okay? Look what I just found! That is a lot.
Yeah. Something inside the bus.
I'm just...
No wonder an eager bee was going.
Okay, right, mate.
So just a quick one then. We are going to turn the place upside down. What else is here?
No, that's it.